I'm just going here. Whoa. Oh my god, you can't hear that, sorry. But still, I'm going to get my skin color. Oh, so bright. Oh, sorry. Um, rather this one. Oh, wrong way. Gonna go here. Sorry guys, you can't hear it. But sorry, I don't know how to fix it. But cute pigtails and jihad. Oh my god, how did you do that? I mean, why did you drag me? Okay. So cute hearts. Okay, let's go. I'm not going there. I think it's a trap or something. Just try. Oh, I never go there. What's in there? Let me see. Let's go. Um, what's in here? Oh, I'm never falling. That's okay. That's so good. Okay, I'm just gonna go there and then whippy. I get that. So cute, square sunglasses. Now let's just go. Oh my god. Maybe I just fall. Let me try. I spawn again and my avatar does not reset. Okay, angel hair. Let's just go there and then let's go. Um, okay, let's go. Don't mind that. And then let's go. Oh, super Avril, please. And then let's go. Okay, jump. Let's go. Pink kitty dress, cute doll, angel princess dress. I'd rather the cute doll dress. It's so cute. Um, yes, so cute. Okay, let's just go and then go there. Oopsies. Um, it's here. Cute bunny backpack, kitty backpack, cute kitty backpack. I'd rather the bunny backpack. Okay, let's go. Um, what's that? Let me just go. Oh, I can fall asleep. Pink hearts, please. I already know, cause that's much cuter. I don't have BFB either, so let's just go. Okay, a bit too good. Oh, I thought I'm going to fall. I knew there was a wall there. I mean, ground. Cute nails. Okay, let me see. So cute. Okay, now let's just go. Lipstick. Yeah, I know. Jump. Yeah, and then you don't hear it, guys. You don't hear it. Wait, let why we don't hear it? Oh yeah, we literally can't hear it. Okay, so let's just go. Okay, go. Let's go there. Oh, what's that? I know there's a ground here, just like ground. Yeah. Princess bow shoes, angel cute kitty slippers, princess bow shoes, or angel boots. I rather the princess show shoes. Oh, why did I do that? Okay, I don't know. And then let's just go. What's that? What am I looking? Okay, I'm just looking at it. Okay, let me see here. That I miss arrow there. So let me see. Oh, I cannot do it. Um, oh, I was fall. Hopefully there's a ground there. Okay, I didn't even fall. Bro, okay, let's just go. Hey guys, comment in the comment section. What shall I say to you guys? Like, guys, bro? Of course not, bro. Some of you are girls, and then girly, of course, bestie, no. And then I'd rather guys, just roll it, okay? Guys, and say in the comments what what I'm going to play next one. I will play it and show it to you guys. Okay, let's just go here. Okay, no more too much yapping. Crystal hearts, princess necklace, or luxury necklace? Crystal hearts, please. So cute. Okay, I'd rather B B oh sorry guys from that. Hope you didn't see that. Okay. Next so I already have a bow so oh am I lagging or is she lagging? Oh maybe she is lagging. Okay, let's go now. Oh let's go. Um okay. Oh how did he hit me? Okay, okay. How did that hit me? Oh okay. Cute headphones? Yes. So cute. Okay, okay, okay. Because the other one is just nothing, so I'd rather the cute headphones, yeah. The cat headphones, so cute. Mm, this is okay, you guys. This is a would you rather outfit game. I just noticed that this thing is like this is. Sorry, from that. I didn't notice that. I mean, I've never played this before, so I just played it. I'm sorry, guys, from that. Look at this, so cute, so cat. It's so carry and then carry. What that mean? Sorry, guys. And then look at that, so cute. I mean, Robux. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. Look, bro, this is so embarrassing. Okay, just watch till the end. No, why did I fall? No, that was like the last part. Okay. No, go go. I need to get this right. Okay, let's go. Yes, I don't want the lip. Oh, she want nothing too. She want nothing too. Of the big lips. Oh my god. Okay, let's just get off here now. Okay. Oh my god, I see the finish line. Yes, finally. Let's go. Yay. And then here we are. Oh, I don't want that. I don't want to the next one. I'm gonna get it on the part 2. Okay. Thank you guys for... No, I don't want that. That's on part 2. Oh, no. I was gonna... Bye though. Okay. Bye. I'm going to chat. Bye. See you in part 2, guys. Okay. See you in part 2. Love y'all. Gosh. I love you guys. Bye-bye. Bye.